Section 1. What is cryptocurrency? Imagine a digital form of money. It exists only online. This is cryptocurrency. It uses cryptography for security. Cryptography is like a secret code. It makes transactions safe and secure. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized. This means no single entity controls them, not governments nor banks. This gives users more control over their money. Cryptocurrencies are changing how we think about money. They offer a new way to make payments and invest. It is a rapidly evolving technology. Understanding the basics is crucial. Section 2. Cryptocurrency's backbone. Cryptocurrencies rely on blockchain technology. Imagine a digital ledger. It records all transactions across a network of computers. This ledger is the blockchain. Each block contains transaction data. Once a block is added to the chain, it is permanent. It cannot be altered or deleted. This makes the blockchain secure and transparent. The decentralized nature of blockchain is key. Every user has a copy of the blockchain. This makes it difficult for hackers to compromise the system. Blockchain technology has vast potential. It extends beyond cryptocurrencies. It can revolutionize various industries, from supply chain management to healthcare. Section 3. Mining and cryptocurrencies. New cryptocurrencies are created through a process called mining, which is fundamental to the operation of blockchain technology. Think of it as solving complex mathematical problems that require immense computational power. Miners use powerful computers to solve these problems, often working in large data centers. When a miner successfully solves the problem, they add a new block to the blockchain, ensuring the network's integrity. As a reward for their efforts, they receive cryptocurrency, which can be stored in digital wallets. This is how new coins are introduced into circulation, increasing the total supply. Mining is essential for maintaining the security and integrity of the blockchain, preventing fraud and double spending. However, it requires significant computing power and energy consumption, leading to high operational costs. This has raised concerns about its environmental impact, prompting a shift towards sustainable energy sources. Different cryptocurrencies use different mining methods, each with its own set of rules and requirements. Some methods are more energy efficient than others, aiming to reduce the carbon footprint. Developers are constantly working on improving these processes, making mining more efficient and less harmful to the environment. Section 4. Advantages of cryptocurrency. The allure of decentralization advantages of cryptocurrency. One of the main advantages of cryptocurrency is decentralization. It operates independently of central banks and governments, which means no single entity has control over the entire network. This gives users more control over their funds, allowing them to manage their money without third-party intervention. Cryptocurrency transactions are often faster and cheaper than traditional methods, especially for international transfers, making it an attractive option for global commerce. This is because they bypass traditional financial institutions, reducing the time and cost associated with intermediaries. Cryptocurrencies offer a level of anonymity, which can be appealing for those who value privacy. Transactions are not directly linked to personal identities, providing a layer of security against identity theft. However, it is important to note that they are not completely anonymous, as some level of traceability exists. The decentralized nature of cryptocurrency makes it resistant to censorship, ensuring that transactions cannot be easily blocked. Governments and other entities cannot easily shut down the network or freeze assets, providing a robust and resilient financial system. Section 5. Navigating the risks. Challenges in the crypto world. Despite its numerous advantages, cryptocurrency also presents significant challenges that cannot be overlooked. Its value can be highly volatile. Prices can fluctuate dramatically in short periods, making it a risky investment. Security is another major concern. Cryptocurrency exchanges and wallets can be prime targets for hackers, leading to potential losses. Therefore, it is crucial to take stringent precautions to secure your digital assets and protect them from cyber threats. The regulatory landscape for cryptocurrency is still evolving. Different countries have different rules and regulations, adding to the complexity. This can create significant uncertainty for investors and businesses, affecting their decision-making processes. It is important to approach cryptocurrency with caution and a well-thought-out strategy. Do your research thoroughly and understand the risks involved before making any investments. It is a new and complex technology that requires a deep understanding to navigate effectively. Thanks for watching. Remember to hit the like button, subscribe, and tell us what videos you want to see next here at Know the 411 On channel.